Right, this is Doop Tap again. You are no. Right.
Fucking dead is what you are, mate.
Let's have another go at that, shall we? I'm gonna cut. Oh, we didn't do the no. How do I you know what? I'm just gonna do the intro like this. Alright, this is this is Doop Tap. Right, no, I'm very chill right now. I can actually see myself in third person.
You look very chill.
This is welcome back to the Doop Tap channel. I'm joined with Bill Chungus over here. We are playing what's it? GM. Oh, it's in the video title. Just fucking read it. This is probably gonna be a big pile of garbage, but we wanted to upload it, so fucking watch it, dipshit. Oh good heavens. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this small bit out.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, maybe I'm not. Alright. Oh god, I already have.
Why are you still holding your physics gun for?
I don't know. Oh, I removed the door. Oh.
I wouldn't recommend that one. Oh.
Should I try and put it back?
Oh. I forgot this was here.
I can't put it back. There we go.
That's fine. There's an invisible wall here as well, so that's just for visuals, I think.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh. Yeah, sorry. There we go.
I mean, I did this in the first one, but we couldn't use it, so. Ooh.
Oh. I can light that fire, by the way. Just give it.
Was there an oopsie detected?
There might have been, you know. Well, looks like we're going backwards.
I do believe the phrase is shit.
Ah. Oh.
Where are you?
Well, that's just opened.
Oh, that's rather generous.
Oh.
Oh, I was going to say after you squire, but maybe we should let this fellow through first.
Oh, I think he's not a happy chap.
Oh, is he a bit ticked off?
He's really unhappy right now.
Oh, well, we can't get out this way.
Oh, he's following us. Go.
You got that!
Does this guy ever shut the
yeah, he did this last time. Just, no one cares, mate. You stupid.
I agree.
Oh!
Oh, we might want to just take a left turn here. Sharp exit.
We'll let him by.
Yeah.
He's probably hungry. I mean, the kitchen's through that. You know, he's probably pissed off. He's hangry. You know.
Yeah.
Look at all that man get some food.
Right, we're going into the maze, I suppose.
Right. Oh.
You're gonna let that man go, so we can.
Is there gonna be something very amusing that's going to happen to me? And by amusing, I mean
horrible.
Oh yes, some more mood lighting there. Very nice. It's quite sexy. This demon.
Oh, what's down here? Nothing. Oh. Cool. Bad map design is what that is.
Where's the
Oh, pardon me. No, wrong way.
I think it was closer because I remember you were. See, this is what happens if you've done 4% of the storyline. Is it through here? Is it through here? Key, please.
Oh, I think I'm high. No.
Oh no!
You
just clobbered me with your.
You know, it happens.
Yeah.
Oh, after you.
Ah, thank you. You.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, we need to go turn the power back on, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, this is just inconvenient.
I think it's a bit rude, really. I mean, you invite guests round to your gaff.
Nothing.
And then you pull
a
fast one like this.
Talk.
It's probably me. Oh, the thing's gone sicko mode. Thank you. I cannot see shit.
Yeah. Happens.
I think the word for this is lost.
Oh.
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 I can't. Please.
Oh, I am quite blind. Open them doors for me, will you, mucker? I
Well,
don't like that.
No, I think we
really
should
don't
go.
like
No,
that.
that one doesn't want to open.
Oh, that looks ominous. Oh, not here again.
Oh, for f***'s sake.
Well, after you, Mucker. I think we should
Oh,
not go that way.
let's have a gander. Oh, look, there we go.
Oh dear. Goodbye.
Oh. Ah! You f***. You dead?
Yeah, I did die.
No,
Indeed.
he's still here. The little bag. Oh. Oh.
The door's closed on me, but I must just sneak underneath it. Are you okay?
Me? No.
Yeah. I've got a key.
Oh, he's coming back. No. Go green. The more red, the... No. Good boy. Is that you making some clanging noises?
That is not me, mate.
Right.
Is there some clanging going on?
Oh, there is. There is a... Oh.
Hello.
Oh.
It is.
Ah, you...
Oh no, I'm in the back room.
If you... Oh,
I'm in
you...
the shadow realm.
Miss... Oh. I don't feel safe. No. No.
It's awfully dark, chaps.
Where's the option to kill yourself? I would like it very much at the moment. Excuse me, good sir. Thank you. Oh.
Just. Oh, hello. Okay, now, you're not going to believe me. I'll have to show you soon.
Right.
Oh.
Oh. What's this?
Oh. Oh. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Which
Put the
one's
key in a hole.
that one?
Oh, it's the.
Ah! This is the last place.
Shit.
Now, this is the last place where in my recording. Oh. Right.
You sat on there?
You can have fun. You can have fun
You
with
sat
that.
on there, look at the camera.
Wait, what?
Oh, he's gone.
Oh. What a
I
shy
think,
man.
I think Flesh Kermit was on there. Well, that was a waste of a key.
Oh, you...
Oh my god, that would scare the shit out of me. I hear some tinky tinks. I'm guessing that's you.
I'll make more tinky tinks. There you are.
I've got a eagle eye on where you're at.
Right, I found Mr. Sus. Oh, I think Mr. Sus found me! Hmm. Oh, this is open now, which is nice.
Let's quickly get in.
Oh. Ah, that's what triggered the cutscene.
Oh, coming in here.
Fuck.
Oh. Oh. Everything is quite red. Oh.
I am quite in the predicament. I believe the technical term is boned.
I think I might become Bones soon.
Well, I mean, this is quite pleasant right now. I physically can't move. Like, if I try and move.
Are you on the table? It's a little white table spread.
Well, it's some very weird ASMR.
Oh, you're in that one again.
Oh, someone's opened the door. How generous.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, someone is.
Oh my god, that is actually horrifying.
No. What? No, you bitch. Oh. Alright, hurry up and kill me, you stupid bitch. Right. Right.
Oh.
Oh?
I'm in the maze.
Someone's... Oh, there is something... Oh, dear.
You go know where I am.
Well, that is interesting. Oh. Oh my god, that's actually creepy. It's literally just a JPEG on a wall, and I'm actually bricks. No. I would like you to off. No, no. Okay, yeah, you've had your say. You've had your say. Please off. No, no, no. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your consideration.
Not again. Not again. Ah! I'm in the storage closet.
What are you doing that for?
Oh, I'm in the kitchen.
Oh!
Oh my
Whoa!
fucking hell. Haven't got a light. What is this on the floor here? Little error mark.
Yeah, I've noticed there's a few of those. Oh, you Oh!
Massive shut up.
I can hear her breathing. Mate, that sounds like asthma. Get it checked out. Right, just kill me. Oh, for f***'s sake, I'll do it myself. Frag grenade. Here we go. How do I have this? Oh, hey.
Oh, I hear that. I just found a key. So we can... Not this way though. Definitely not that way.
Oh! Fucking hell. Somehow I've managed to get a gun again. How'd you go up? Oh, upstairs in the spawn.
Hmm.
Someone's just opened the door.
Hello. Ah!
Oh my god, what was that?
Oh no.
Oh! Oh! Oh, there's a thing there.
We haven't been in here.
Ah, yes.
We have been in here. Oh, stairs up.
Oh,
Upstairs. We found the upstairs. No.
Right.
Literally the last door we looked for.
Shut up. Oh.
Oh. Sweet.
I bet it hasn't. Oh,
Definitely
this is rather stinky. Oh, where have you gone?
I'm just going right because eventually we'll find the way out.
That's yeah. That's not right. This is right. Oh, shut the fuck.
I don't know what that is, but I don't.
It doesn't sound
pleasant.
pleasant. Oh, I don't like this. You know what? If the geezer comes back, I'm just gonna use my revolver. Let's just see if it will die.
So there actually is something following us. Oh, it's Pennywise.
I killed it!
You killed Metro Police. Very scary. Come on. Oh.
Oh, you shouldn't have. Oh, we're in the
Where's
maze.
the key? Oh, it's here. It's here. Oh.
I can't believe I fucking.
He's clarted the Metro Police.
I've peed.
Oh, someone's in there. Not anymore. Okay, I'm out. I think I found it. Yeah, I found the door.
I am floating. I'm actually.
We did it.
I'm levitating.
Oh, we did it. Where are you? Get outside.
I'm levitating.
Oh, we're gonna wait for you. No. You gotta get outside.
Come to the door. Help.
Wait. Maybe there's a wall below you. Oh
No.
No!
Oh!
No!
I just got fucking... I got absolutely... Oh my god. Right, I'm by the skeleton room. I think.
Just keep going down. Keep following it. Keep following it. You should get there.
No, I'm by the big thing. Yeah.
Dinner table.
I'm in the kitchen.
Oh, you know, I don't know where that is.
Yeah. Please. Yes.
Yeah. Come on.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Can you go?
What did you do?
I just removed whatever it was.
Where do we go?
Let me just wait out here. Maybe.
Oh.
Yeah, we did it.
Wow. What a fucking waste of time.
I'm back in the house. I'm in the TV room.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was actually quite terrifying. Oh.
That'll do for me. It's 6 in the morning.
Oh. Fucking hell. Right, if you somehow watched all of that, I don't know how much I... Oh, fuck off!